Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS6420 series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA TS6420 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a Canon website here. This is Canon support for PIXMA TS6420. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down here underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. And then select the TS6400 series driver setup package and the download button. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file and select yes, should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. And then give us a moment to begin. Select Start Setup, and then select Next, and then follow through the on-screen prompts here of getting your printer connected to your device, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.